Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of HSV-1 IgG ELISA kit. So as you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is the HSV-1 IgG ELISA kit. You can see the reference number here, H1029G. You can see it has a standard expiry of 2 years. You can see this is a 96 well plate ELISA kit. You can see the lot number and you can see all the contents present in it. It contains the HSV coated well plates. Then we have the controls, the standard sets. Then we have the enzyme conjugate. Then we have the buffer solution, the stop solution, the substrate, and the certificate of analysis. So you can see the manufacturing address here. It is manufactured in California, USA. You can see it has an operational and a storage temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So this is about the kit. So let me show you the other sides of the kit. So as you can see, it is a immunoassay Calbiotech product. You can see it is manufactured in USA, America. It's a C certified IVD product. So let me show you the other side of it. So guys, this is the Calbiotech HSV IgG ELISA kit. So let me open this kit for you. So as you can see on the top, you can find the IFU brochure for this kit. So let me show you this. As you can see, this is the IFU brochure for the Calbiotech HSV IgG IgM ELISA kit. You can see here the catalog number H1029G. So let me keep this aside. Then we have the certification of analysis. You can see this is for the HSV-1 IgG ELISA kit. You can see all the manufacturing expiry and the part number of the kit. So let me keep this aside. So then we have the HSV coated 96 well plates. You can see it is a standard coated well plate. So let me keep this here. Then we have the different sets of reagents present. So let me take you and explain to you the reagents. Yeah. Okay. So let me arrange this for you. Okay. So as you can see, there are a couple of reagents present which comes with this kit. So the first reagent would be the HSV-1 IgG negative control. So as you can see, it has the reference number over here, the expiry date and the lot number. It needs to store between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see this is the negative control one. Then we have the HSV IgG calibration. Then we have the HSV-1 IgG positive control. Then we have the enzyme conjugate. Then we have the TMB substrate. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the IgGM sample diluent. Then we have the wash concentrate 20x. So guys, as you can see, this is the entire unboxing of Calbiotech HSV-1 IgG ELISA kit. As you can see, the ELISA kit comes with the HSV coated 96 well plate. Then we have the IFU brochure for the kit. Then we have the certification of analysis. Then we have the negative control, the calibration, the positive control, the enzyme conjugate. Then we have the substrate. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the IgGM sample diluent. Then we have the wash solution. So this is the entire unboxing of Calbiotech HSV-1 IgG ELISA kit. Thank you.